Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Abonwada Biafra. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you about singular and plural pronouns, okay, in English and in Igbo language. Okay, let's go straight to the bag, okay, to see what we are having here. Okay, so the singular and plural, okay, singular and plural of pronouns. Okay, let's see what is here. Okay, we have mine or I. Mine or I is they are singular pronouns. Okay, mine or I. In Igbo language, mine or I is me. Me. In Igbo language, me. Okay, mine or I is me in Igbo language. Okay, they are all singular pronouns. Okay, that what we mean by singular pronouns. They are one person one person pronoun. Okay, they are used for one person. Okay, so this is the plural of me. Okay, or mine or I. Okay, the plural we or our. Okay, in Igbo language is anyị. Anyị is a plural of a pronoun in Igbo language. Okay, me is mo. Me is mo in Igbo language. Mo, so it's different from I and mine is me. Me is mo. Okay, so the plural of mo is we or us. We or us. Okay, in Igbo language is anyị. Okay, so just the same thing with this. Okay, anyị, more than one person is anyị. More than one person in English language is we or us or our. Okay, so that is what I mean here as a plural. Okay, anyị. Okay, so you is a singular. Okay, plural, a pronoun. Okay, it's a singular pronoun. Gi in Igbo language, it could be gi, it could be it could be okay, depending on the where you're using it or what you're using it as. Okay, so the plural is unu in Igbo language. The plural is you or you are. Okay, you are as a plural, you as a plural, and you are as a plural in English language. Okay, in Igbo language is unu. That's more than one person. Unu. Okay, he, she, it, that. Okay, they are all pronouns. Okay, singular pronoun. Okay, they are all singular pronouns. Okay, so he, she, it, that. Okay, is ya or o or o. Okay, depending on where you are using it, where you're using it or what you are using it for. Okay, ya, o. Okay, the plural is them, they, their. Okay, them, their, them, they, their. In English language, the plural in Igbo, ha in Igbo language. Okay, that's the plural of he, she, it, that. Okay, ya, o. Okay, them is the plural. They there, okay, accordingly. You use accordingly. I will give you some examples now, okay. So there's another one, another pronoun, singular pronoun, a and a. These two, a and a, they are passive, okay. They are passive. Actually, they don't have a plural. They are just passive. Okay, let me explain what is passive shortly. Passive is used to avoid specifying the agent of an action. That's if you want to avoid specifying the agent of an action. That's really want to specify the main should I say the main agent, let me say it like that, of an action, the cause of an action. If you want to avoid that, you use passive. Okay, this is a passive pronoun. Okay, a, a. Okay, so it's still the same. It doesn't have a plural. Okay, I will give you example now. Okay, like here, it went well. It went well. What went well? You don't know. It's not specifying the what went well. It went well. So in Igbo language is agara. Could be anybody, could be anything. Agara ofuma. Agara ofuma. So it's here, it could be anybody, okay. So it's not really specifying the action, okay. Agara nkoma, okay. So in a let me say the plural, okay, is still the same. There's nothing like we gara ani, when you comes to this kind of say passive, okay. So it remains the same, okay. I will show you more example of this passive, okay. So let me give you examples of this okay, the singular pronouns in sentences, okay. My, I, me, mu, you, gi, I, okay. He, she, it, that, ya, o. See, in a sentence, okay, my father is sick. My father is sick. Okay, papam, these are all singular pronouns. Okay, singular. My is a singular pronoun. My father is sick. So me is my in Igbo language. So papam na aya aho. Na aya aho is sick. Papam na aya aho. My father is sick. Okay. I is a singular pronoun here, one person. So in Igbo means me also. Okay. So I have a book. I have a book. That's one person. Enwere m akwụkwọ. Enwere m akwụkwọ. Me. Here is a singular pronoun. Okay. Me and you will go. Me and you will go. Me is a singular here and you is a singular here. Okay. So see it in Igbo. Mu na gi. Gi is a singular pronoun. Okay. So I forgot to put in this thing. Me, gi is a singular pronoun. Okay. Mo is a singular pronoun. Mo is one person. Gi is one person. Okay. Mu na gi ga aga. Mu na gi ga aga. Okay. Me and you will go. Me and you will go to school. Mụ na gị ga-aga akwụkwọ. Like that, okay? Are you coming? Are you coming? You here, one person, okay? I is one person, okay? Ị na-abịa? Are you coming? Ị na-abịa? Ị na-abịa? Ị, one person, okay? Remember, you, okay? I, okay? One person. So why you use I here instead of I? Because this, remember the last video about vowel harmony? Also the verb harmony here, the verb group that is here, bia, I, okay? They belong to our group. So I belongs to our group. That's why I use I here instead of I, okay? And this, either you use this or you use this. So how do you know? Because of the vowel harmony in this verb, okay? So you check your infinitive verb, all those participle, you will see what I'm trying to say here. So it's the same thing, okay? So I use I. Ị na-abịa? Ị na-abịa? Are you coming? Okay, so will you come cook food? You as a singular here. Will you cook food? Ị ga-esi nri? Can you see this esi is belongs to a group. A group. So I use I because this doesn't have dot underneath. So it belongs to this A group. So that's why I use I instead of I. Okay, I use in the different. This belongs to our group. This belongs to A group. So that is how to know which one to use. Okay, so you check out my vowel, the infinity vowel, participle and stuff, and auxiliaries. You will see what I'm trying to say here, the last video. Okay, his book, his is a singular pronoun. Okay, his book is good. Akwụkwọ ya is a singular pronoun in Igbo language. Akwụkwọ ya dị mma. Akwụkwọ ya dị mma. Okay? He is a singular pronoun. Has yellow glasses. He has yellow glasses. So in Igbo, O. Okay, you remember we have here O or O. Okay, the same thing apply, the same thing we did here, you do here. O nwere. Why do we use O? Because nwere is a verb here, and this verb is the vowels belong to A group. So O, okay, O nwere ugogbe. Okay, I think A supposed to be here. Ugegbe, not ugogbe. Uge. A is supposed to be here. Ugegbe. Okay, anya. Edo is yellow. He has yellow glasses. O nwere ugegbe. Okay, it's supposed to be ugegbe. Okay, o nwere ugegbe anya edo is yellow. Glasses, ugegbe anya is glasses. Okay, so O is a singular pronoun. Okay, o nwere ugegbe anya edo edo. Okay, he has yellow glasses. So let me say something before we continue. You know, in a Igbo language, we don't have gender. We don't have gender. You can use this O for a lady, she, he. You can use it for a guy, that's a boy or a girl or a man or a woman. You can use this O or O. All this you can use. We don't have gender in Igbo language. Very important, you know that. So this, he wants a big dog. He wants a big dog. Okay, ọ chọrọ nkịta buru ibu. Buru ibu. Buru ibu. That's big dog, big. Buru ibu, big. I'm big. Eburu ibu. Buru ibu is big. Okay, nkịta is dog. Or, you see what I'm trying to tell you here? Or, why do we use or here? Because choro is the verb here, and this verb belongs to, the vowel belongs to our group, that they have dots underneath. That's why we use o here. If there is no dots here underneath, you use o, like here. This belongs to a group, this belongs to our group. That's why we use o. So you check the verb, the infinitive verb, the forms of verb video. You will see what I'm trying to say here. Okay, it will help you a lot. Okay, so he wants a big dog. Ọ chọrọ nkịta buru ibu. Okay, still single pronoun. It went well. A gara nke ọma. This a gara nke ọma, remember the one I say that they are passive voice. Okay, they are passive. Okay, because they are not specifying the action. They are not specifying the agent of the action. That's the main the principle of the action, something like that. Okay, so it went well. It went well. A gara nke ọma. So a could be anybody. Okay, it went well could be anything. Okay, so it's not specific. That's why it's passive. Okay, so agara nke ọma. I will teach you about passive in another video also. Okay, so it was cut. It was cut. Nwetara ya. Who is So is not really specified here. Okay, that's the agent of the action. Did not is not specified properly here. Okay, that's why they are passive. Okay, it's trying to avoid further expression. Okay, something like that. Enwetara ya. Ya is a singular pronoun. Okay, but this the a and a is a singular pronoun, but they are not having plural. They don't have plural because they are just there. Okay, as passive. Okay, so but they are singular plurals. Okay, so let me give you show you the, what do they call, the plural forms, the plural pronouns. Okay, the plural pronouns. Okay, our father is sick. Our is a pronoun. Okay, papa, anyị is a pronoun. Okay, is the plural of our. In Igbo language, the plural is anyị. Anyị. So the plural, our, that's plural of I and me, mine and I is our. So in our father is sick, in Igbo language, papa anyị na-aya ahụ. Papa anyị na-aya ahụ. Okay? Will they cook food? Will they cook food? This is a plural pronoun. It's a plural pronoun. Okay, they. So in Igbo language, ha, there is ha. Okay, so will they cook food? Ha aga-esi nri. Ha aga-esi nri. Okay. We is a pronoun, is a plural pronoun. Okay. We will go. In Igbo language, we is anyị. We will go. Anyị ga-aga. Anyị ga-aga. Their book is good. Their book is good. There is a plural pronoun. Okay. Akwụkwọ ha. Ha is a plural pronoun. Ha, more than one person. More than one person is ha. Okay. Akwụkwọ ha dị mma. Their book is good. Akwụkwọ ha dị mma. Okay. We have books. We, that's a plural. We have books. Anyị nwere akwụkwọ. Anyị nwere akwụkwọ. More than one person. Okay? Your father is coming. Your as a plural. Because we have your as a singular, but this is your as a plural. Unu. Your is unu in Igbo language, plural pronoun. Okay. Your father is coming. Papa unu na-abịa. Papa unu na-abịa. Give us your name. Give us your name. Us is a plural here. You are a plural here. Give us your name. Okay? Nye anyị aha unu. Unu. Your name. Aha unu. Aha is a name. Name in Igbo, in English language. Aha is name. So nye anyị. Anyị is we. Give us or we. You know, us or we is anyị. Us or we is anyị. So nye anyị, give us your name. Aha unu. Aha unu. Okay. We gave them food. We gave them food. That's a plural. Them is a plural. Is a plural. We is a plural here. We gave them food. Them is a ha in Igbo language. Ha in Igbo language, plural pronoun. Okay. Anyị nyere ha nri. We gave them food. Anyị nyere ha nri. Anyị, plural, more than one person. Nyere ha, more than one person. Nri. They were caught. They were caught. Okay? So, you see, in Igbo, they were caught. In English, you can get this as a plural pronoun. But in Igbo language, it is still the same a. You remember the passive passive pronoun, passive pronoun. Okay, enwudere ha, enwudere ha. So you cannot, this doesn't have a plural, enwudere ha, because it's not specifying any thing. Okay, it's not showing the agent. That's the specifying the main action. Okay, the person that took the action is not really saying this person took the action. Okay, it's just saying a could be anybody. We normally say in Igbo language enwetere ya. Oh, could be anybody. We say like that. So it is like a passive. So it could be anything. Okay, so enwudere ya, ha is they. Okay, but this they, that's a pronoun. Okay, plural pronoun. Okay, but this pronoun never change, never it never changed. Okay, it remains the same even in the plural. I hope I'm making sense. Okay, so it still remains like that even in the plural. Okay, so it went well, it went well, just the same. Okay, you cannot change this to plural. It went well. What went well? It. So anything can be well, they went well. Okay, something like that, not specifying. So that's why we use a or a for them. A gara nke ọma. A gara, who went well? Nobody knows. Okay, a gara nke ọma. A can be anything. A can be anybody. Okay, so that's how we say it in Igbo language. A can be anybody. A gara nke ọma. So we are trying to avoid specifying the action, the main principle action. That's principle of an action. Okay, so let's say it like that. Okay, so if you like this video, you thumbs up. Okay, see you in the next video. Okay, God bless you, good luck.